hey, you want to work less and earn more? You can totally do it in 2 hours a day from your couch. Guys, this is something you can do around your family. You can feel good about it. It's 100% profit, and all you need is 2 hours a day. You need an internet and a phone, or a computer and internet, and that's it. So I'll tell you more about that, but let me first, and how you can get started. But first, let me tell you, I'm a mom. I've worked a lot of years. I've worked a lot of overtime and worked 2 jobs, and always had to miss out on things with my kids, and couldn't afford to do things when I was off, and just, really exhausted because I've had to put in so much time and energy into a small paycheck. Well, guys, I had enough. I decided something had to give, so I decided to change this for my family starting today. So I found this program. It's 100% profit. It's fully automated, so it does all the work for you, and it was already designed for you. They teach you how to put it together, but literally, you just get your domain, you put it together, and boom, once you launch, you're able to make money from day one. So it's 100% profit, and all I have to do is put in 2 hours a day. That's to get my promos going, to get my videos, everything. That's it. So if you want to know how you can learn more, put ready in the comments, and go to the website that I put in. You'll go there, you'll put your email in, I'll send you information because it's too much for a video, and you can decide if it's right for you and your family. Step 2 would be to make a decision if you're going to do it or not. So if you're going to do it, decide to do it, figure out which part of the program is right for you. There's 4 different programs, 4 levels. I went all in because I wanted to make more. So it was kind of a no-brainer for me, but whatever you're comfortable doing right now, go for it. So step 3 is going to be to get inside the program, show up every day, do the training, learn how to put it all together, and do the live daily mentoring, and just go for it. Just learn as much as you can. Dive in. You have to show up. This is not a get rich quick. You do have to show up. So you do put in some effort, but it's really easy once you get going. Step 4 is going to be to get all your social media platforms going, learn how to promote on them, learn how to make your videos and your content, learn how to, get it rolling so that you can bring people to that website so they can learn more. Step 5 is going to be to just have fun. Show up every day, learn new things, try new things. Don't worry about being perfect. Don't worry about being popular. Just do it, and just, make the decisions and just do it. And I was really nervous, but I did it. So I encourage you to do the same. And guys, I love this program. It's so easy. I could not believe how easy it was. And all my fears that I had, because I don't have a degree and I'm not tech savvy, went out the window when I saw how easy it was. I mean, it's that simple. And I love it. It's 2 hours a day, and I can make 100% profit. And I'm so glad I did it. So if you want to start building this legacy for your family, you want to change your current situation and your future, then I encourage you to put ready in the comments and let me help you get there, because I want other parents to win. I want us to know there's more than a 9 to 5. You don't have to go work your tail off to make peanuts, okay, while you get your business rich. This is your business, and you can be the one that makes 100% profit, and you don't have to work long hours. You don't. The internet busted wide open, and we no longer have to do that. So let me help you. Put ready in the comments, and I'll share this with you. Hey, the only way it can go is up. It can only get better from here, right? It can, and it will.